on wholesaling real estate lists or tax delinquencies, and you could be making over $1,000 a day wholesaling these lists. I truly believe most wholesalers don't even know how to find tax delinquent properties. They don't understand the process of it. And what I want to do is just share how you could start wholesaling tax delinquent properties right now in 2026, step by step. And so tax delinquent properties are pretty simple. These are people not paying their property taxes. And when you don't pay your property taxes, guess what? The house is either going to get a lien on it, someone is going to go out here and auction the property off. Every state is going to be a little different. Maybe it's a tax deed state, maybe it's a tax lien state, but all you have to know in wholesaling real estate, and you don't really need to go technical here, this person is owed property taxes, right? The government is owed property taxes from people that own houses. Now, I don't get in the whole debate if property taxes should be illegal or not, or you should ban them or not, but the truth is, if you own a piece of property in the United States of America, you are owed money. Like, you have to owe money to somebody. And specifically in any state, Georgia, Texas, Florida, I mean, literally any of them, you have to pay the government every single year for a property you literally own. It's kind of weird because you didn't make any income on it, but you got to pay a tax, whatever. The thing is, if you own a house, you have to pay property taxes on it. And it is usually 0.5% to 1% of the value of the house you have to pay every single year. And if you don't pay that, the government is going to force you to sell their house and put a lien on it, or either get proportion from that. So for example, if you own a house that's worth $100,000 and there is $1,000 a year of property taxes, you don't pay it for 5 years, they're going to auction the property off. The house might sell for 90 grand and they'll take their 5 grand that's owed in taxes, because the government always gets their money. The cool part is there's a lot of motivated sellers who don't pay their property taxes because they can't afford to. Remember, you got to pay it all at once. Most Americans can't afford a $4,000 to $5,000 bill just like that, but it is owed. And it is shocking to me. When I first started wholesaling real estate, I didn't realize how many people just don't pay their property taxes. And a lot of them are motivated sellers. And what happened was I was wholesaling these properties, right? Just cold calling, bandit signs, text blasting, and I wasn't really polling a tax delinquent list, but then I started looking back on these properties and figuring out, oh, they're behind on taxes. Is there a way to get that list? And in a lot of areas, it's not easy to get that list, but if you know what you're doing, you can get that list. And so this is what I want to basically share today and make it really easy. And so let's go over how to start wholesaling tax delinquent properties. Well, what you got to do first and foremost is find tax delinquent properties. So how do I find a list of people not paying their property taxes? Well, what we're going to do is go to the tax collector. So right here, we are in Escambia County, and we just searched Escambia County tax collector. And I'm literally just going to press it right here, which is Escambia County tax collector. And literally all you're going to do is try to find where they have reports of people not paying their property taxes. So literally there's a little reports tab right here. All of Florida is actually really easy to do. I'll show you what to do when it's not easy, but we're going to go to real estate reports, and we're going to go here. So this is a little portal, and it's loaded up. And all we're going to do is go to all unpaid accounts. Now, what I would do is I would actually press current tax roll, and I would press search. And unfortunately, we got to blur a lot of this stuff out, but it would show the property address, if they paid their taxes or not, and all these things. And so let's see if the address is shown here. So the owner name's right here. The next is the address. I can't show it on YouTube, unfortunately, but all you're going to do is go to unpaid taxes and press search. And in Escambia County, there is currently 7,603 properties that have not paid their property taxes for 2025 and 2024. So in Escambia County, I believe in November 2025 is when taxes were owed. And so people have not paid the property taxes. So for example, this property right here, it was assessed for 225. They owe $3,500 in property taxes, and they haven't paid it. Well, you know, I would want to show you the address. I literally can't show it on YouTube, unfortunately, but you can get that address and go nuts. And what's really easy to do is you can literally go out here and just press download and just download the list as a CSV. So you can really just press CSV, download, and boom, you just download the list. It has the addresses and has all that stuff right there. And boom, now you have the list. Now, what I like to do is I like to go out here and get that list and go to an AI. So I actually like using Claude, and I'm just going to say, organize this data into street address, city, state, and zip code for skip tracing. And boom, that's all you're gonna do. And what Claude is gonna do right here is it's going to organize the data, and pretty much all that data in the CSV, there's 7,603 properties. It's gonna go out here and organize the data into street address, city, state, and zip. So we can go out here and get it skip traced. For skip tracing, you can use any software out there. If you have no money, you can literally go to truepeoplesearch.com and just individually go out here and put the addresses one at a time. Doing 7,000 of them is going to be a nightmare. Most people don't do that, so that's why I recommend using a software like XLeads. So this is a software that I recommend. I mean, it's right here. It's xleads.com. It has 25,000 skip trace records. Super high quality. It's awesome. Cool. So you're going to let the Claude go out here and organize the data, and then all you're going to do is just go to leads right here. And then we are going to go to import, and you're just going to import that list. The cool part is some counties will only give you the street address. So what you're going to do is just import the street address only and then put the county's information in there. And then boom, you can go out here and import that data set. For example, this is a list here in St. Lucie County, Tampa. So this is a tax delinquent list in Tampa, and they only had the street address. So we're going to press next here, and we're going to use default location. And we're going to put Hillsborough County, Florida, and we're just going to press next, and we're going to press import, and we're going to import this list. And it imported just the street addresses. Now, some of them have not matched. So you're going to download that and then put it back into Claude and get a USPS verified address and basically clean up the data set a little bit. But you can import that list right there, and boom, just like that, you have all these tax delinquent properties in Tampa. Now from there, it's really up to you what you want to do with this list. When you have a tax delinquent skip trace list, obviously with skip tracing, there's really two things you can do. You can either call the list or text the list. You can do it right here from inside of XLeads. But honestly, you could just cold call it on Google Voice if you have absolutely like zero money. You can go out here and put a sticky note on the door and do some reverse drawing for dollars. I mean, tax delinquents, what I've personally found is texting works best. Cold calling on like a triple line dialer, XLeads has a triple line dialer, you can do it right there. Reverse drawing for $1 sticky notes is great. And then if you have a bigger budget, you can do a little bit of direct mail. So they're all can be done from XLeads. So literally you can just press direct mail and put a little offer postcard out there. Export to contacts tab. Literally, I would just add SMS blaster. And then boom, you can start text blasting people. You can put it on the power dialer. And then boom, you can start calling them. It's really up to you which one you want to do. But this is the easiest way to start marketing and wholesaling tax delinquent properties. Now, the real question here is, how do you get this list in an area where it's not so easy to pull a tax delinquent list? For example, here, this is Macon, Bibb County. They are not the easiest place to get tax delinquent data. So what we're gonna have to go and do here is you're gonna have to look through the website, see if there's anything we can do. They obviously just don't automatically go out here and give a list of people not paying their property taxes. So this is the tax commissioner. So what you're gonna have to do is either call them up or email them and ask to get a list of all the properties that are not paying their property taxes or they're behind at least 1 to 2 years. And then from there, they can go out here and give you that list. Now, AI is really good too. So I might say, I want a list of people not paying their property taxes in Warner Robins, Georgia, for example. How do I get that list? And you can literally just ask AI, like, how do I get a list of people not paying their property taxes in Warner Robins, Georgia? And then the AI is going to go out here and analyze it and tell you exactly how to go out here and do it for most of the country. What's really cool is Claude is literally going through Bigger Pockets forms. It's going through the Department of Revenue, the FAQ section, and it's literally going out here and analyzing it. I do prefer Claude because I think Claude is probably one of the best at looking this stuff are. So it's saying Warner County is collected at the county level. It's Houston County. So you can go to the tax sale list, which is cool. Those are properties that they're about to sell off. Not a big fan of that because obviously this is going to be when people are kind of about to just lose the house. You want to get people, they didn't pay the tax and they're not about to get it auctioned off or lose the house. It's usually before that. So right here, it's telling you right here that call this number or email tax questions and ask for an open records request. So all I'm going to do is just copy this right here and say, make an email template for me. Now it's saying Georgia Opens Records Request Act is actually the legal act where you can get this information. And I'm going to say as a CSV record. And so let's go out here and make a little email template for you here. Right there, here's a little formal request. You're going to copy that, then email it to them, and then you get the tax delinquent list. Now, if they say no, you're going to have to go to a manager and try to get your best to get this list. And I'm telling you right now, this is the best way to get the list straight from the source. Now, Xlease does have a delinquent tax list, which you can pull. So if you want to go out here and do Houston County, Georgia, you can do it straight from here. Now, it's going to be less accurate than pulling it straight from the source because you get the list a little fresher, but you can get a delinquent tax activity list right from the source. Some counties better than others, but you get a list of people not paying their property taxes right there. Now, what I would probably do if you're just going to be doing on Xlease delinquent taxes, but you also want to add something else, you want to add vacant usually on here. That's usually the best that I found. So vacant tax delinquent is going to be good. Match all selected, and boom, you have 206 properties. This is some good sauce right here. So guys, this is exactly how I would be making $1,000 a day wholesaling the tax delinquent list. You can do it without any money. You can do it with Xlease. If you're checking out Xlease, go to Xlease. Let's make some money wholesaling houses.